So as this year slowly just draws to an end and just coming to a close, we have Christmas right around the corner. And at the end of the day, I want to share with you, yes, you, what I'm calling the five magnificent mids. Oh, I already know I'm going to get slammed in the comment section. Oh, I already know what people are going to say about mids, but guess what? Maybe I can reveal something different for you. So coming in at number 5, we're going to have the Jordan 1 Mid SE, the elephant toe. You guys already know what the box looks like. We get that nice wings logo on the SE. Those are the special editions. And we're going to start right here with this. Let me know what you think about this. This is the Jordan 1 Mid. You see that nubuck that we have here. You can hear that materials there. You see the elephant print on the toe. And then you also see this texture. We got a little texture leather on there. Coming in at number 5. Gotta show love to the wings logo. But let me know what you think. And for mid, let me tell you, it's not bad. It comes with originally with black laces, and it also comes with a spare set of laces. So you see how we're looking here with the black, and it comes with a spare set of laces. They actually showed us love on this mid. Let me know what you think down below. Would you rock these? Let's get it. So next on the magnificent mids, coming in at number 4, we're gonna have the Jordan 1 Mid Vivid Orange. And let me tell you, for me, this kick right here was very nice for the fall time. You can definitely put black laces in there. You see the little hits of red that we have on the shoe, along with the red outlines that we have all throughout this silhouette. They did a great job with that red outline. It really helps pop the shoe. So you can definitely put black laces in. You can definitely go with the white, and you can put some red laces in there. But we have that nubuck wrapped around this entire silhouette. Look at that nubuck. Everything is nubuck. We have a nice beefy, just thick, beefy collar right there. That tongue. See that collar? Everything's wrapped in nubuck. Vivid orange, dope kick. Let me know what you think. I like these right here. Number 4 of the magnificent mids. Now coming in at number 3 is going to be a very, very well-liked colorway, you know, within the Nike and the Jordan brand, and that's going to be University Blue. So we have a Jordan 1 Mid University Blue. Take a look at the color blocking there. Wow, what a beautiful color blocking. Very popular color. Here we have black laces in there. You will see nice little lace swap, how we can get very creative with this mid. But I will let you know, once again, this right here happens to be just a regular, it's not a special edition. So this is just a regular Jordan 1 mid with that very nice color blocking. Dope, fresh kick. I like it. Easy to match with anything. And while I have you right there, you know, go ahead and drop a little like for your boy, you know. Subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this content, because at the end of the day, look, I appreciate you. What better gift is it for me to get than a nice little subscriber for Christmas? Because Christmas is right around the corner. Show some love to your boy. Let's go. Now, coming in at number 2 is actually going to be a very nice sneaker that, for some weird reason, tell me why your boy just never posted a video about these. And this sneaker in particular happens to be the best short that I have on YouTube right now with over 10,000 views. It is going to be the Jordan 1 Mid Ice Blue. And let me show you these kicks. You see I have 2 different laces here. It comes with the blue laces. See that ice blue lace? I went ahead and put white laces in it. But in this front here goes a little mini review since I never did one. I'll make it really fast. You see we have that white leather toe cap there, the toe box. We have that nubuck. You see that blue colorway? And we have that nubuck written all around here, right next to the Wings logo. Coming around to the back, still wrapped in that nubuck. And we have that Jumpman, that blue right there. And we have that icy bottom on the bottom of these. Man, these are actually pretty fresh. They're dope. They're dope. Let me know what you think down below. Would you rock these? To all my mid lovers, for all my people going through their midlife loving, would you rock these kicks? Let your boy know. And also, check out my short. Check out my short on these. Got over 10,000 views. I appreciate y'all. Holla. All right, well, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. For my number one pick of my Jordan 1 Magnificent Mids are going to be Box Reads Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. So it's a special edition, black Concord White. I think you'll know what this is. Also known as the Space Jams. Take a look at this silhouette. We have that patent leather right there, leather in the front there. You know we got that icy bottom on the bottom, and we have that Concord. Look at that right there on that Jumpman logo. We have black laces in here. Once again, if you're interested in this, you want to see how this looks with different color laces, go on and check out my shorts video. I have plenty of shorts having fun with these, putting Concord laces in, white laces, black laces, blue laces. I mean, just having a bunch of fun. Whenever you have a black silhouette like this, you know everything goes with black, so you can put any color lace in here and it'll be a very rockable, wearable kick. Let me know down below of these magnificent mids, which one was your favorite? And also let me know if you're not necessarily a mid fan, which I understand, you know, mids aren't for everyone, which is awesome. But let me know if you wasn't a mid fan and I happened to show you something that, you know, probably made you go, Any way you slice it, I appreciate you guys for tapping in, and I will catch you on the next one.